Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tell you the 5 essential things you need to know before you buy your vinyl fence. Some people say that vinyl fence rots in the sun because the harmful UV rays. You're 100% correct. It does. Have you ever seen an old white lawn chair that has all that milky, chalky dryness going on? That's because that chair didn't have enough titanium dioxide on it, which protects the vinyl from the harmful UV rays. Question is, how much titanium dioxide does your fence have on it? Make sure and check the specs of your manufacturer that you're choosing to go with before you buy your vinyl fence. Number 2. Oh, I got a pointer. Where's my pointer? Number 2. We're going to talk about the post. How thick is the wall thickness of these posts? What we have here is we have some different types of vinyl fence. This particular section of vinyl fence, we are calling it big box store trash. This section of vinyl fence, we are calling it big box store professional grade. This section of vinyl fence, we know exactly what that is because that was supplied by SWI Fence and Supply. What we're going to do is we're going to measure the wall thickness. So as we open this, that is going to tell us how thick our wall is. I think it's only fair that we do the wall thickness of our post first. This is a post that was supplied by us from our supplier. Our post is going to be a 0.15 wall thickness. According to my fancy caliper here, we have 0.166. It's a little thicker than they say. We're not going to say that our supplier is going above and beyond. We're not here to say, oh yeah, we're the best. We have absolutely the best. Even though that's kind of what I just said. We'll pull one from each side. How about that? 0.160, 0.18, 0.166. The supplier is 100% meeting its 0.15 wall thickness. You are 100% getting everything that you're paying for, plus just a little bit more. This is the main structure of your vinyl fence. If this fails, your fence fails. This one is a 0.125, 0.135, 120, 150. It is all over the place. As you can see, the one on that end, it was far thicker, and that is exactly what we're looking at. Because it may be a 5x5 vinyl post and it's white, but it's not the same. It's what you can't see that you need to know. All right, so I know what you're thinking. Man, that's a nice looking brand new vinyl fence. Yes, that one is new, and yes, that one is new, and yes, that one is new. This is a brand new chunk of a vinyl fence post. Khaki is what that color is. But look, how come we're khaki on the outside, but we're gray on the inside? That is regrind vinyl. That is the hot dog of the vinyl industry. When you take all these vinyl scraps right here, when you throw them in a big old smelting unit and you melt them all together, you get regrind vinyl, which some of that is our vinyl and some of that is box store vinyl. So you're not knowing exactly what's going into that regrind vinyl product. That's why it's the hot dog of the vinyl industry. Can you tell me what's in a hot dog? Number 4, let's talk about number 4. This vinyl fence versus this vinyl fence versus that vinyl fence. They're all white, yes, correct. They're all 6 foot tall, almost correct. But there's one thing that they don't have in common that you can see. This one right here is a bracketed system. This is a panel system. It's a glue together panel and it is complete trash. This is a panel system. This type of vinyl fence does not go together the same way that this type of vinyl fence does, because this one does not get inserted into the post. It has these little brackets right here. Yeah, and these are really cute too. I love these. When they fall off, you see that right there. That is the bracket. So this panel literally drops into the brackets, and therefore the screws and the bracket system is what keeps this type of vinyl fence together. Then you have your other style of vinyl fence, which is a routed rail system, which means that the rail slides into the post at least 1.5 inches, and therefore it does not rely on the brackets for it to stay together. This routed rail system is going to be a stronger product and stronger to hold up to the wind. This one right here, supplied by SWI, this one's not going to blow over. So know the assembly method of your vinyl fence. Warranty. There's a manufacturer warranty and there's an installer warranty. Know what your warranty covers. You don't want to have your fence fall down and not know what the warranty covers to find out if it's on you being the homeowner, or if it's on your installer, or if it's a manufacturer defect. All we need to know for us to warranty one of our fences is that we installed it. dig below the frost line. Even though there's only 24 inches of the post going in the concrete, make sure that your concrete goes down beneath the frost line. Essential thing that you need to know for your vinyl fence is to make it windproof. Make sure that your fence is rated to stand up and you're not going to have any blowouts. Yes, fences can have blowouts. Make sure and install rail locks. Make sure and see the link below. If you want to see how this fence holds up to wind and is tested in wind, make sure and see that video right here. And if you want to see how to build any 3 of these fences, make sure and see that video right here. It's Dan with SWI. We are Wyoming's Fence Company. We hope you have a good dang day.